back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week.
Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday.
So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies.
Hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll baby.
How are you? So happy that you are here. Today I am doing a wig tips video. This was a requested video. I have done another video on this topic before. This is sort of my updated version. What I feel about now, why I feel it. You don't even know what I'm talking about, so let's get to it. So we're going to talk about my top 5 wig retailers that I purchase from right now and why. So if that's something that you're interested in, let's just get started because we're getting started. So the top 5 wig retailers that I purchase from now are, I'd say number 1 would be for name brand wigs, would be wigs.com and Wig Outlet. I purchase from them a lot just because I feel like with their sales and stuff, I can get really, really good deals. I like purchasing from Wig Outlet because that is the outlet version of wigs.com, so you can get really, really good deals. You don't get you don't get every choice of every color, but you can get some really discounted styles, so that's why I really like ordering from those two. I'm putting them together because they are the same company. Next is Ebony Line and Shop Hair Wigs, which again, same company, same distribution. I really like them because they do mark down wigs really nicely. They have different types of wigs. They both carry the magic lace. You've seen me do a lot of magic lace wigs. I get them mostly from Ebony Line and Shop Hair Wigs because they will rotate through them, and you know, they're normally like $35 and they will mark them down to like $16, you know, for like a day or two and then move on. But I really, really like that for that. Next is Ms. Barn. I've used Ms. Barn quite a bit when I'm looking for styles that may be either being discontinued soon or older, or colors that I can't really find. I really like it for that because they still have some things that you can't get other places. They also do really, really nice sales, and their shipping's pretty fast as well. The other one that I would have to say is the Wig Company. I partner a lot with the Wig Company, but I do purchase from them as well. Their shipping's super fast. I like their customer service. They do have a lot of the name brand wigs that I get like from wigs.com and things like Aesthetica and stuff. But one of the main reasons that I like to shop from the Wig Company is because they have that Statements line, which is name brand, but it's definitely more of affordable. And they carry my favorite wig, which is Rock Me by Statements. I have her in 2 colors. I feel like I need her another color. I feel like I need her in 2 more colors. I'd like to get her in like a blonde and maybe like just a really dark chestnut brown. Anyway, so they have started offering like free shipping. That was the only down thing, is like they didn't offer free shipping after a certain amount, but they have started offering that, and they do these like 30% off like flash sales. So I'm pretty sure Rock Me retails for $89.99, and then if you can get the 30% off, like you can get a couple Rock Me's. I don't know what song was in my head. Anyway, and then last but not least is Glamour Trust. Glamour Trust is just, to me, it's steady, it's consistent. They do a lot of sales. They do a lot of, you know, good deals. No fuss, no muss. Especially, like, I just like ordering from them. Those are the top 5 right now that I'm ordering from. A few honorable mentions of places that I just order from in general, just so you know. I do order from Sam's Beauty. I do order from Hair Sisters, Elevate Styles, Best Wig Outlet, and also from Wig Types. Not that I don't order from other sites, but right now the 5 that I mentioned are really the only ones that I'm ordering from, to be honest with you, which is actually 7 because there's 2 of them have 2. But those are the ones that I'm focusing on right now. I just wanted to list those other ones because I do order from them, and I mean I have in the past, and I've not had any issues, and I trust those sites and things. That's what I have for you for this video. If you have any sites that you normally purchase from that I did not mention, or that I did mention, put that down below. If there is a site that you are curious about, also put that down below, and we'll see if either I know anything about it or if the doll babies know. If you haven't subscribed,
Why?
if you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.